Good morning, all my friends. Today I'm in the tea states, so I like to show something. All people like to eat, and it's ingredients of all foods. So here is the one. See, this is the paper. It's cannot grow without any support. See, it's a chain. It's growing like trees, but must be support something else. And here's the one. It's a branch of paper. You can see the it's not until perfect. It's can good for the food after the 2 weeks, now also can. If you squeeze like this, then it's not blast. It's okay. See, no water inside. Dry, then becoming black paper. If you want to pick this cover, then can get white paper. See, here is the inside white paper.